Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope you're well on this fine sunny morning. Guys, please leave some comments. I want to know how your trading's going. It's been a crazy few weeks, so yeah, let me know. Today, it's the 8th of March and it is a Tuesday. As always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades and have a recap first of all. So let's do that. We had two trades from yesterday, if you remember. The first one was this. This was the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, remember the reasons for our trade was this. We had lower lows. We had this high, okay, which was then tested. Yeah, this area of resistance. And then we had this large bearish candle form at this resistance level. So we just wanted to take price back down to this blue line. Okay guys, so that was the trade idea. Let's see what happened. As you can see from the day chart, it did react quite strongly from our grey zone. But let's have a look at exactly what happened on the H1. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, we had a couple of entry candles that you could have got in on. So price retraced up into our grey zone. We had this candle here. Yeah, this told me that sellers were in control. And we also had this candle here. Yeah, this also told me sellers had taken control of the market. And then sure enough, that's exactly what they do. Sellers take it shorter. All right, so I closed 80% of the trade at this last low here, this last H1 low, and I'm still in this trade for 20%. I've kept 20% running and aiming down for our blue line. Okay, so yeah, good trade. Closed 80% and still in 20% of this trade. So yeah, I hope you took this trade, guys. It was a good one. The next one, this was the pound against the Japanese yen. Obviously, we're going to see a lot of yen strength as it's a flight to safety currency. Okay, so what with everything going on in the world, yen will gather some strength. So yeah, why did we take this trade, guys? Well, if you remember rightly, we had this area of what was once support, and then it broke. Yeah, so this candle here, this large bearish candle, broke these lows, and this told me we could take price back down to firstly this blue line, and then secondly even this blue line here. Okay, and as you can see, guys, it's already hit our first target, if you like. So let's look at H1 to see exactly what happened. So guys, yeah, as you can see, price didn't retrace to our grey zone. All right, but what we can do, if there's a large movement, like if you look at the day chart and there's a large bearish candle like this, yeah, chances are price may not retrace that much. Okay, so if you wanted to be a little bit more aggressive, let's go back to the H1. You could take the first bearish candlestick pattern you see. Okay, so this candle here, you could have entered on this trade and then just taking it down to the blue line, which it eventually hits. I know price hasn't reached our grey zone here, and this is quite an aggressive trade, but you could take the first bearish candlestick pattern you see, okay? And as you can see, this would have been a good trade back down to our first target. Okay, guys, so yeah, two good trades from yesterday. I hope you managed to take at least one of them. And let's have a look at what's going on today now on Tuesday the 8th of March, see what we can potentially trade. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap of yesterday's trades, then please smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. So yeah, if you could do that, it'd be greatly appreciated. Right, so the trade ideas for Tuesday the 8th of March, we've got two ideas and it's going to feel like deja vu because they are exactly the same ones as yesterday. So first of all, let's look at this one. So this is the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, as you all know on the recap, price did exactly what we expected it to. And then again yesterday, we've had another bearish candle form. Okay, so this tells me that sellers are still in control. It's bounced off these highs, and our target, high time frame target, still hasn't changed. We just want to take it down to this blue line, guys. Okay, so yeah, still shorting the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar down to that blue line. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we've got an extra grey zone in there now, guys. Yeah, because as price forms over the day, obviously we're going to see new areas of support, resistance, and therefore our grey zones will change as well. But what we want to see, guys, is price come up into this grey zone, which it already has. It will be interesting to see what this candle does. Okay, and we want to see a retrace into the grey zone. We want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. Okay, and then first of all, if we get a risk to reward of at least 1:1, we can take it back down to these lows, and then we can leave 20% on the trade and take it back down to our blue higher time frame target. Okay, price could retrace further. It could come up into this grey zone, and again, guys, we just want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form, like we did with this one yesterday. Yeah, and we just want to take price back down to these lows. That's always our first target. Close 80% of the trade and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. All right, guys, so yeah, Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar short. The next one, like I said, guys, deja vu. The next one is this. This is the pound against the yen. We're still looking to short this one. So, yeah, we had this very large bearish candle, which made us take shorts from yesterday, followed by another bearish candle. Okay, so this tells me we can, first of all, take price at least back down to these lows here, this blue line, and then even take price back down to this blue line here. All right, so yeah, we're still trying to short this market. We've had nothing but bearish candles. Let's look at H1 for execution. So as I said, with the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, guys, we're going to have new grey zones appear. Yeah, because new resistance and support levels will form. Okay, guys, so what we want to see is price retrace into this grey zone, first of all. Then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. We will take price back down to this blue line, back down to this low. We will close 80% of the trade and let 20% run down to our other target. Okay, if that doesn't happen, price could retrace all the way up into this grey zone. And again, we just want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. First of all, take price back down to this low, close 80% and then leave 20% to run. All right, guys, so yeah, exactly the same trade ideas as from yesterday. So I hope you have a good trading day. Let's take a look at the news. Guys, if you're enjoying this morning daily analysis, then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button. Then you'll receive it every single day, Monday to Friday. And also smash that like button, guys. It helps support the channel. Right, so the news for today, it's another light news day really, guys. So nothing overnight, as you can see. If we carry on scrolling down, at 10 o'clock, this might be worth keeping an eye on. I know it's only a 2-star rating, but the GDP coming out of the euro. Okay, so that might be worth keeping an eye on. If we carry on down, our first 3-star rating is at 5 o'clock GMT coming out of the US, and it's the short-term energy outlook. Okay, so that can move any US dollar pair. And then if you're still up at this time of night, at 11:50, we've got some GDP coming out of Japan. Okay, so another 3-star rating. And as you can see, nothing else for the rest of the day. So yeah, another light news day today, guys. And if you've enjoyed the vid, please smash that like button, subscribe and share with your friends. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, stupendous trading day, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow.